Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. Today we're going to make an old vintage pound cake. In my mixing bowl I've already got 4 sticks of butter. That's 1 pound. And I'm going to mix them up, get them loosened up. Room temperature. You know, everything has to be room temperature when you cook a pound cake, except when you're making a cold oven pound cake. So, I think that's about got it. Alright, now I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. And I'm going to let that beat for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to turn you off until it gets going. Alright, now I'm going to add 6 room temperature eggs, one at a time. Now you'll notice there's no baking powder or baking soda in this because the eggs are going to make it rise. And you can pretty much beat this as much as you want to before you get the flour in there. Once you get the flour in, you've got to cut your baking time down, your stirring time, beating time down. One more. These are large eggs, and it's best to use large or extra large eggs when you're baking. I'm going to cut you off a minute to let these mix well, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, we're back. I want you to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Grease and flour your bundt or tube pan. And now I'm going to add 4 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. It's the same thing. And alternate it with 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm using half and half to make it a little richer. should start and end with the flour. Ooh, I'm getting that everywhere. This is the last little bit of flour. Now remember, after you put your flour in, you've got to watch your beating time. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And a teaspoon of almond. These are extracts, they are not imitation. Now I'll have the directions to this cake down below in the description or show more section. I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl. And I'm going to let it beat 1 or 2 more minutes. Not long. And then I'm going to put it in the 300-degree oven for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And the directions say do not open the oven during this time. I'll have to get that later. Alright, I'm going to get this into my bundt pan. And I'll show it to you. This isn't a bundt pan, it's a tube pan, I'm sorry. And get it in the oven, and I'll bring you back when it's finished. Hi, we're back. And the cake took in my oven, it took 1 hour and 45 minutes, and I did not open the door. It's done. It's got a nice crunch on the top. Got a small piece here because it's late. Oh my goodness. Look at that piece of cake. Let's see if I can get in closer. It's perfect. Well, let me get it on this plate. And I'm going to give it a taste. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. Mmm. The inside is velvety. The outside is crispy. The taste is excellent. And this is a true pound cake. Mmm. You'll love it. So I hope you try it. And remember, the recipe will be down below in the Show More or directions section. So until next time, you all take care. Thank you for coming in to see me and spending part of your day with me. And may God bless every one of you. Like and subscribe.